Hey everyone, welcome to Knowledge Web, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to transfer money in Payoneer to Binance, and this is actually very easy. At first head over to Binance and then click on buy crypto USD, and then you're going to select the credit or debit card option. After that you're going to put how much USD you want to buy, and then you can put it into any type of crypto you want. We'll do BTC for this one. After that it's going to ask you for your new card information. So basically what you're going to do is actually head over to payoneer.com, and from there find your card details, like which card is your Payoneer card details, and once you do, you're going to put those exact card details over here. After that, confirm everything and then confirm all the details one last time, and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.